This 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 176BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, awning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, skylight, smoke detector, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 176BH is 3,515 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.